value of 3 minus x is 2 times x, what values can x take? So the equation states the following. 3 minus x might be either positive 2 times x or negative 2 times x. We need to solve both equations in order to find the answer. 3 times x equals 3, finally x equals 1. That's one solution. Then x equals negative 3. That's another solution, but I have a question. Can x take a negative value? So, since the result of any absolute value is always a positive or zero number, then 2 times x must be greater than or equal to 0. Therefore, x must be any number that is greater than or equal to 0. Therefore, the only value that x can take is 1. X equals negative 3 will be discarded. Finally, choice B is correct. If the absolute value of x plus 10 is 0, what is the value of x? Well, this is a very easy question. The only value x must take to satisfy the equation is negative 10. Since negative 10 plus 10 is 0, and the absolute value of 0 is 0. Choice A is correct. If the square root of x squared is 36, what is the set of all values that x can take? So, first of all, is there a probability to apply for this problem? Sure, we need to apply the absolute value probability of the square root of a squared number. Now, what does the property state? The property states that the square root of a squared number is equal to the absolute value of the number. Therefore, the absolute value of x equals 36. It means that x might be either positive 36 or negative 36. Therefore, choice B is correct. If the square root of x minus 3 squared is 3 minus x, what is the set of all values that x can take? So first of all, according to absolute value properties, the square root of any real number squared is equal to the absolute value of the number. Therefore, this is equal to the absolute value of x minus 3, and now we have that the absolute value of x minus 3 is 3 minus x. Since we don't know the sign inside the absolute value, we have two different cases. Either x minus 3 is positive or 0, or x minus 3 is a negative number. So for the first case, we have that x minus 3 is positive or 0, and x minus 3 is equal to 3 minus x. So you have that x is greater than or equal to 3, and here we have that 2 times x is 6, x is 3. So finally, x must be equal to 3. Now for the second case, we have that x minus 3 is negative, and negative x minus 3 is 3 minus x. So we have that x is less than 3, and negative x plus 3 is equal to 3 minus x. Now, this is a tautology. It means that x can take all values. Finally, for the second case, we have that x must be any number less than 3. Finally, since it is either case 1 or case 2, x must be any number less than or equal to 3. Choice E is correct.